In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use filters to see previously completed task and workflow steps. So once you have logged into Wealthbox CRM, simply navigate to your task component, and this will show you the overall view of all of the tasks that you have in your Wealthbox system that are either due today or they're upcoming in the future. But for anything that you have already checked off, simply navigate to the completed filter at the top of your screen, and that will show you anything that's already been completed. You can also use tasks to see just your tasks or your workflow steps, or you can see a combined view of your tasks and workflow steps. You can also use filters to see tasks that were assigned to specific people in your firm or teams that you've created within Wealthbox, as well as filter your tasks by category, which are fully customizable. And that is how to use filters to see previously completed task and workflow steps.